Changing the phone number associated with your Amazon Prime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and List option at the top right corner. Click on it, then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your account information. In the Your Account section, find and click on Login and Security. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Update your phone number. On the Login and Security page, look for the Phone Number section. Click the Edit button next to your current phone number. Enter your new phone number and save the changes. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. Amazon may require you to verify your new phone number. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via SMS, enter the code, and confirm the update. After completing these steps, your phone number will be successfully changed on your Amazon Prime account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.